Are you still
No, man.
excited
Just ramp it up here.
It's good to hear. That's great to hear. So, what brings you guys to this WordPress meetup?
I've got a big crush on Sage.
Really? What are your names, by the way? Wahid.
Dave.
Emmanuel. Great to hear. So I'm Jason.
Jason.
Let me tell you what I'm working on right here. What you working on, Jason? So I'm working on a free translation plugin. So what it does
that's cool.
is you upload the plugin into your WordPress system, and then it automatically translates your site into 35 different languages. So let me just show you how it works. It's literally as simple as this. You got a bunch of flags. You click on it. And let it think for 5 to 10 seconds. Call it. It's waiting, and the entire website is translated into Spanish. So all the content on the page, all the links, everything is translated into Spanish. Here's the cool part. So not only is it translated, but it's also stored on your servers. What that also means is all URLs, headers, tags, meta descriptions, and everything are automatically translated into Spanish, stored in there, so that it automatically indexes with Google and all the other major search engines. And the other really cool thing about this, as I noted before, is it's free.
Cool.
So let me show you how it kind of works.
Is it using Google Translate as the translation engine?
So given that it happens so quickly, it's actually using the Microsoft Translator API. We chose to go with Microsoft here because it had comparable quality to Google, and then the Google Translator API, they're thinking about either trashing it or making a paid version of it. So we want to keep it free for the masses.
One quick question. Do you know Yang the Man?
Say that again?
Yang the Man?
I don't know Yang the Man. No.
He's a Korean guy that he's been doing the same stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's really
I'll
cool.
connect you guys.
Yeah, you should totally do that. So how it works is it's super simple. All you do is download it, upload your file, and then let's say you want, I don't know, German, Spanish, and Hebrew for all our Yiddish speakers. You save the changes?
I can speak German, so I can check if the translation is good.
Oh, alright, good. I'm going to caution that it's machine translation, so it's good enough as you can imagine.
But quick question in between. How does it integrate, or how does it work if you are using the WPML plugin? And because that's what I am doing. I use this plugin to feed human translated content. And what happens if I would install this? If I say, for example, the German language is very important for our company, I want it human translated, but all the others I want, let's say, automatically translated. Would this work?
No, look, that's a great point. Look, I think your ultimate question is look, machine translation now it addresses, it has limitations, right? So depending on who your clientele is, you might want to go with a more customized, more professional version. But what we wanted to do was we wanted something lightweight and free for people who just wanted to get across their meaning and their content to people and are on a limited budget.
But it would be very cool to mix. Some content, some language human, some automatic.
So actually, there is one other plugin that does it. I gotta say that's not as easy as ours, of course, because I gotta be salesy with this. But would be happy to point you to that because there's actually a process where they do everything. They translate everything using machine translation, and then they have people who come in through their API to fix up your content in a professional fashion.
Is that these guys, Fox?
No, that's my company.
That's you, okay.
Yeah, exactly. So we'd be happy to show it to you if that's what you're more looking for. So here's how it goes, right? So it's going to be German, right? So you press German, and I'm cautious now because I think you're going to be very nitpicky.
I know about machine translations, no problem.
So here, everything is in German now.
Okay.
So the difference between using this and using like the Google Ajaxy plugin is that I get the content on my actual site, so it's indexable, it's searchable.
You got it.
Okay.
You got it. So it's very similar with the Ajax plugin in that everything's translated, but everything here is so much easier because it's stored in all the servers and it's
awesome.
ready to go to be indexed.
Do you have any idea, do search engines punish you for, like, I could see Google building in, I think it's probably wise that you didn't use the Google Translate API in that it's easier for Google to detect that you use the Google Translate API.
Right.
And so if Google is the engine you're trying to optimize around, do we know whether engines punish us for machine translation or not?
That's an awesome question. And so let me tell you, so Google has explicitly said that they don't punish people for machine translation. And then on top of that, so they've said that explicitly. Now, I think the ultimate thing that Google is looking for is user experience, right? So the argument is that, look, this isn't the greatest content, but what are you comparing? You're comparing nothing versus having something. So that's what you're comparing. What your ultimate question is does it hurt your domain?
Is it, sorry?
Does it hurt your domain?
Right.
If it hurts, if having this content that's less than optimal, does it hurt your domain? And that's yet to be seen. Nothing that we've done has suggested that it hurts your domain. So look, we wouldn't put something out there that would be ridiculous. And everything that and we tried to build around all the other plugins to try to fix everything that they've done wrong in terms of SEO optimizing the content.
Now you said it's free, and it says $29 here. What does that mean?
So that's my company. So we charge $29 a page for human translations.
Oh, for human translation.
This plugin is completely free. What our motive is we just want to build some publicity around our name. So we thought we'd have a lightweight free version out there.
Yeah, cool.
What is the plugin?
It's called SEO Translate. So right now it's in beta testing mode, and would love for additional people to test it out. We know of
I
one.
will give you my card. This is very interesting for me.
Yeah, that's great. There's like one or two other kinks that we know about it that we're fixing right now, but would love for people to test it out. Happy to give you guys publicity, give you link love, whatever for testing this.
Is it on the codec in the plugin repository right now?
Not in the plugin depository right now because we wanted to fix those one or two other.
Is it on your website?
I will email it out if need be. So
cool.
it's a little. We're working to get it out there. It should be there
Do you have a
like
card?
a week. Huh?
Do you have a card?
I don't have a card.
We'll
But,
post it on the WPSFO site.
That'll be cool.
Yeah, but we'd love to get your email address.
Oh yeah,
Sure.
5 seconds. Sorry.